With the Love E exercise, we start again, like always, in our center. We feel the space of our heart, we enter in there, we feel its rain quality, and this leads our arms and hands and fingertips. We feel our expanded wings, the veils under your arms, and there the streaming comes about, which just leads us forwards, leans us forwards. I stream into the world with my broad wings. But I do not lose myself, I feel myself, and I feel carried from within. I feel the space of my heart. Again, I let go, I return to this inner space, and I form this A gesture, this strong cross, which now is nourished from within. From my heels upwards, I get energy to really put strength into this gesture. And slowly I remember this loving quality of streaming forward, and it may come back without losing me, my anchoredness in the earth and my anchoredness in myself. Both is possible. I let go. My hands return to the center, to the heart. And immediately we continue. I let this space grow. I let it stream forward. I stay with myself. I let go. I awaken in myself. I feel protected and grounded. I reactivate this loving streaming forward. And without me leaning myself forward consciously, I return to the center, just by itself. I let go, the hands return to the center. We repeat it again. Love. A. Love. A. Sorry, I said A, but it's E in the English pronunciation. Yeah, so it's love E, this gesture. Yeah, in German it's E. Let's do it another 3 times like a massage. A streaming massage, streaming this way and streaming from behind forward. Returning to a raying quality, raying from my heart. And then both. Love. E. Love. E. And another time. Love. Let it stream. E. Let it rain. And both. Love. E. Let your breath react. Let go. Feel your legs. Feel your feet. Feel your uprightness and feel your center. How does it feel like now?